guys, and welcome to my online classroom. I'm actually really excited because I have just been calculating all the finds that I have made over the last few weeks, and I have actually made $270. Yoo-hoo! So that means I've got $270 to spend in Mrs. Bridges' shop. Okay, so I've had a look through and I've decided I actually want a pair of these super cool scissors. They're cool because they're blue and because they've got spots, and I'm really into spots. Okay, now these scissors are $375. Bargain. But because Mrs. Bridges is so cool, she's going to give you a 50% discount. Well, actually, she's going to give me a 50% discount. So I'm going to show you how to take 50% off $375. Okay. So today we're figuring out 50% of $375. So when we hear the word percent, we hear that suffix cent that we've also been talking about in centimetre. So anything to do with cent means 100. So basically it's 50 of 100. So as a fraction that would be 50 over 100. And then if we make that, turn that into equivalent fraction, 50s into 1 is 1, 50 into 100 is 2. So it equals a half. So basically we're looking for a half of 375. So 50% off means it's half price. Okay, but I'm going to show you how I want you to do it. And also if you are at the shops, it's easier if you do it this way to quickly try and calculate in your head what that percentage might be. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find what is 100% of 375. And that's going to equal 375. Okay, so 100% is all of it. Then we're going to look at 10%. 10% of 375. Now, this is easy. All we're doing is moving the decimal place. Okay, so we've got 1 0, so we've actually got our decimal point here. We're going to move it one place here to the left. So it's one place to the left. Okay, so now it's 37. Let's put our dollars in. $37.50. So 10% equals $37.50. Now, I also want you to find out 1%. 1% of $37.50. Again, we're just moving one decimal point place to the left. So it's going to be $3.75. So 100% is $375, 10% is $37.50, and 1% is $3.75. Okay, so now that we have 10%, all we have to do is times that by 5 to get 50%. Okay, so then we're going to have 5 times 37.50. So let's work that out over here. So we've got 37.50 times 5. Okay, so 5 zeros are 0. 5 fives are 25. So we put the 5 down. We're going to carry the 2. 5 sevens are 35, 36, 37. Oh, don't forget, bring your decimal point down. So 7, carry the 3. 5 times 3 are 15, plus 3 is 18. So, $187.50. So that gives us 50%. Equals 50%. Now, all we need to do now is subtract this 50% amount away from the original total. So our original total was $375. So we have to subtract $187.50 from 375. And because we know it's half, the answer should end up being exactly the same once we've subtracted it. So we're going to subtract 187.50. Oh, hang on, let's put that the other way around. So I've got $375 subtract 187.50, okay, which I'm actually going to do over here. So we've got $3.75. Make sure you put your cents in. Take away 187.50. Okay. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 take away 5, you can't do. So we're going to borrow from the 5, so that makes that 10. 10 take away 5 equals 5. Bring your decimal point down. 4 take away 7, we can't do. So we're going to borrow it from the 7, which is going to make this 14. So 14 take away 7 is 7. 6 take away 8, can't do. So we're going to have to borrow from the 3, which makes that 2. And now turns that into a 16. 16 take away 8 is 8. 2 take away 1 is 1. Okay, 187.50, 187.50. So my scissors cost $187.50. Woohoo! I can actually afford them, yay! Okay, I've actually got a little bit of money left. I think it works out about, I think $83 left. So let's have a look at 25% off. Okay, so let's say that we'll do it with 25% off, okay? So 25% of 375. This is where your 1% comes in handy. Okay, 100% of 375 equals 375. 10% of 375. Remember, we're moving the decimal point 1 point to your left. So we're going to go to here, which gives us $37.50. Now, 1% of 37.50. Okay, we're just moving the decimal point 1 point to the left. Okay, which leaves us with $3.75. Okay, so we've got our 10%. So we actually need 25%. So 10 plus 10 will give us 20%, okay? So 20% equals 37.50 times 2. So 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 5 is 10, down, carry the 1, but we need to bring our decimal point down. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 5, carry the 1, 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. $75. So that's $75 is what is 20%. Okay, we still need to find 5 more percent. Okay, so we look here. 1% is $3.75. So we just have to times that by 5. So to get our extra 5% equals $3.75. Oh, put that little dollars times 5. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 5, put 5 down, carry the 2. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2, 35, 37. Carry the 7, carry the 3. Bring your decimal point down. 5 3s are 15, plus 3 is 18. $18.75. $18.75. Okay, so now we need to add our 20% and our 5%. So I'm going to now go across to here. So we have our 20% equals $75. Our 5% equals $18.75. We're going to add those together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 there, carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Okay, 25% discount of 375 is 93.75. Okay, but you still have to subtract the 93.75 to get the total that you will need to pay. Okay, so then we need to subtract. So we've got 375, which is our original amount, put your cents in, and then we're going to subtract $93.75. Okay, so 10 take away 5 is 5. 0 take away 7 we can't do. We'll need to borrow from the 5. Make that a 4, and this becomes a 10. 10 take away 7 is 3. Bring your decimal point down. 4 take away 3 we can do. 1. 7 take away 9 we can't do. So I'll need to borrow from the 3, which makes it 2. And now this is 17. 17 take away 9 is 8. And 2 take away nothing is 2. So, at the end of the day, 25% off equals $281.35. So I'm lucky that it was 50% off, because if it was 25% off, I couldn't afford my scissors. Okay guys, thank you for tuning into my online classroom. If you have any questions or need any help, please don't hesitate to ask. And so when you do it, I'd like you to do it, work it out on a piece of paper for me. I want you to set it out showing the 100%, the 10% and the 1% to show me how you've worked it out. So, and then remember, once you get your answer, you still need to subtract it from the original total. So anyway guys, have fun shopping and I'll see you soon. Bye!